Good day everyone. There are the video presentation from Group 2, Chapter 5. The topic is Rizal's Trial.
My name is Jasper Bagdag from BSIT FSM2A, and this is my question. What were the charges brought against Jose Rizal during his trial? My answer is Rizal was tried before a court-martial for rebellion, sedition, and conspiracy, and convicted on all three charges and sentenced to death. Second question is, what events or circumstances led to Rizal arrest and subsequent trial? My answer is, 4 days after the Civic Organization Foundation, Jose Rizal was arrested by the Spanish authorities on 4 grounds for publishing anti-Catholic and anti-friar books and articles.
I'm Sunshine Lanya from FSM2A. Question: who were the key figures involved in prosecuting Rizal during the trial? The key figures involved in prosecuting Jose Rizal during his trial were members of the Spanish colonial government in the Philippines. The main prosecutor was Lieutenant Luis Tavel de Andrade. Question: what was the role of Rizal's defense in the trial? This is the answer. Rizal's defense in his trial focused on presenting arguments to disprove the charge brought against him. His defense lawyer, Lieutenant Luis Tavel de Andrade, argued that Rizal was not directly involved in the rebellion and that his writings were not seditious.
Everyone, I am Rosemary Obispo from FSM2A. This is my question. How did the trial unfold and what were the major events during the proceedings? The answer is, though many people choose to plead guilty and settle before the trial, anyone is within their right to take and their disagreement to trial. After voir dire, the trial begins. Each step of the trial process is a part of the rigorous system driven by a single purpose: to protect the rights of citizens by resolving disputes fairly. This is my second question. What trial evidence, if any, was presented against Rizal during the trial? And this is my answer. Rizal trial, a costume to share the merry season with the family, friends, and relatives. The 1896 Christmas was ended the Rizal sadness. Confined in a dark, gloomy cell, Rizal was in despair and had no idea of what his fate may be. Under his delusion, a trivial de Andrade requesting the letter of visit him before the trial, for there was a very important matter. They did discuss. Likewise, Rizal created Lute and Joy How Christmas.
I am Winana Fitz Senior Verte, and our topic is Jose Rizal's trial. How did Rizal defend himself against the charges? And here is my answer. Jose Rizal defended himself against the charges by presenting a well-prepared legal defense during his trial. He refuted the accusations and argued that his writings aimed at promoting reforms rather than rebellion. Rizal's defense emphasized his peaceful intentions and commitment to advocating for social and political change through nonviolent means. What was the verdict of the trial, and what were the consequences for Rizal? Jose Rizal, a Philippine national hero, was sentenced to death by firing squad in 1896 after being convicted of rebellion, sedition, and conspiracy. His execution fueled the Philippine Revolution against Spanish colonial rule.
My name is Judy Antalbo from BSIT FSM 2A. The question is, how did the public and Rizal supporters react to the trial and its outcome? My answer is, the trial of Rizal was an eloquent proof of Spanish injustice and misrule. More than a farce, it was patently a mistrial. Rizal, a civilian, was tried by a military court composed of alien military officers. His case was prejudged. He was considered guilty before the actual trial. The military court met not to give him justice, but to accuse and condemn him. It accepted all charges and testimonies against him and ignored all arguments and proofs in his favor. Moreover, Rizal was not given the night which any accused is entitled to have in a real court of justice, to face the witnesses against him in open court. The trial of Jose commenced in the Cuartel de España, a military building, on December 26, 1896 at 8 o'clock in the morning. Present in the trial were 7 members of the military court, Col Jose Togores Arjona, President, Captain Ricardo Muñoz Arias, Captain Manuel Reguera, Captain Fermin Perez Rodriguez. Also in the military court were LT Don Luis Tavia de Andrade, Jose's defense counsel, Captain Rafael Dominguez, Judge Advocate, LT Enrique de Alconcer, Procurating Attorney, and observes, which included Josephine Bracken, a sister of Jose, newspapermen, and other Spaniards.
Jacqueline Laforga from BSIT FSM 2A. This is my question. In what ways did Rizal trial contribute to the broader socio-political climate in the Philippines during that time? This is my answer. Jose Rizal, 1861-1896, is one of the most revered figures in the Philippines history. He was a multifaceted intellectual and political activist, best known for political writing that inspired the Philippines Revolution and ultimately led to this execution by Spanish colonizer.
Thank you for watching.